mentioned at the beginning of the video of a tragedy that struck in Florida when an illegal alien who was not capable of reading English caused the deaths of an entire family of 3 people. I think you've probably already seen the video. I'm not going to play it here. It's rather strange, but one of the strangest things about this, there are actually 2 things that are strange about this. One, the man who caused this accident, doing an illegal U-turn in the middle of the highway, didn't really seem to have any remorse. In fact, he was just staring glibly at the camera. I don't know, if I feel like if I turned the tractor trailer around in the middle of the highway and 3 people were rammed into the side of my vehicle and died on impact, I'd feel more emotion than this. Maybe shock or surprise or remorse or something. But this is just none of those things, and it's definitely been off-putting to a lot of people. And the second shocking thing about this, I didn't find out until a few days later. He fled the scene and ran back to California, and Florida actually had to have him extradited back to be able to charge him. And of course, this case, which has gotten national attention at this point, has caused a lot of questions, namely, why was this man allowed to get a license in the first place to drive on our roads? I don't think people who can't speak English should be driving with a license. I'm sorry. If you're not capable of passing a proficiency test, then you shouldn't be on the road. And definitely not as a truck driver. Now, I did some digging and I found out that apparently he was issued a full-term commercial driver's license in Washington State in July 2023, despite not being a lawful U.S. resident, which is a violation, of course, of both state and federal regulations. And he obtained a limited term, CDL, in California in 2024, even though California itself mandates English-only CDL exams and generally restricts CDLs to citizens or permanent residents. And on top of that, as I stated already, he didn't pass the English test. The Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration administered an English proficiency test along with a road sign comprehension test. Singh only answered 2 out of 12 English questions correctly and identified just 1 of 4 traffic signs. Now, this underlies something that is severely wrong with our country, because there are states that are clearly in open rebellion against any kind of federal law. Hey, doom scroller, don't half watch me like that. The full video is in the description. Now go finish it before it disappears forever.